Welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Kaws Sacai Blazer Lows in the purple Dusk colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button as well as our merch store. As mentioned earlier, we are on our third Kaws Sacai Nike Blazer Low. You've probably already seen the red and blue version of this. Still waiting on that Reed colorway, but today we have the purple Dusk color with us now. So we're going to go through the overview of this, then I'm going to talk about size and fit, followed by how I styled this. Kaws definitely brings a lot of different fun colors, so I had fun with this one, and then we're going to conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. This one has a nice purple dusk base, so you'll see that we've got that nice purple on the toe box there. We've got the dual laces, which we've seen on all the previous Sacai Blazer Lows that I've done, and this time it is in a purple and yellow color scheme, which I think actually goes quite nicely. This is kind of just like a nice subtle light pastel yellow, and then this is just a nice leather purple in the front, and it's just kind of reminds me almost like of a Barney purple, but the shades do kind of complement each other. On the eyelets, we've got the nice dark charcoal gray layer on top, and underneath we have underlays of that pop of red. And if you're not feeling the purple and yellow laces, we do have a simplistic white lace to kind of complement in there, though I do actually like this color combo that they've used currently. Let's look at those details and then let's move on to the side panels. Side panels, we have underlays of that purple dusk, and then for the swooshes we've got this nice kind of sky blue, and underneath we have a different texture here in that nubuck suede, and this time it's in a nice kind of purplish pink tone. Working our way to the back, you'll see that we've got more purple hues and more of the yellow and pink wrapping around to the other double swoosh marks. And the insole is in hot pink, showing the triple names for Nike Sacai, as well as the Kaws X's for the logo, and a nice pop of that purple. We do have the exposed tongue on the outside here, and then the shoe is then completed with Kaws' logo here on the midsole, and it's just a nice solid white midsole and a solid white outsole. All right, let's look at those details and move on to sizing. As far as size and fit goes, I would say stick true size on this one. I'm typically a 7.5 in the BLAZER lows as well as the highs, but on this one, I would say this fits me perfectly, so I wouldn't recommend going up or down. If you do have higher to narrow feet, this would definitely complement sizing that works best for you. If you do have flatter or wider feet, this could differentiate a size that may work better for you. All right, now let's talk about styling. I had so much fun styling this. Kaws definitely brings a lot of colors to the table, so this was definitely a fun one to complement. So for the first look, I really did want to complement this with lots of different purple variations. So I did pair some lavender socks with this. I think that you can have a good time just mixing and matching purple tones with this one. So I wore some nice tailored purple pants and a lighter pastel purple tone, and then I wore this turtleneck, which is a deep, richer purple, and I think it just all went together quite nicely and just really complemented the purple accents in the shoe. She just went love. She just went. For the second look, I switched it up a little bit. This time I decided to bring some pattern into the mix, so I wore a mini skirt with a matching blazer and a really cool black and hot pink and purplish kind of tone. Definitely think that you can have fun with patterns on this one. Kaws definitely brings a lot of life to the color schemes that he uses, so I definitely wanted to bring some pattern into that second look. For the last and final look, I decided to wear some simplistic, just plain black blazer leggings, and then I wanted to go a little crazy with the top, so I wore a blue kind of animal print sweater, which obviously there's some blue hues in that, so I wanted to play off the blue on the Nike swoosh, and then I layered that with a puffer coat that's kind of a little gamer Pac-Man symbols all over, so definitely a lot of color variations in that puffer jacket, but again, this is a fun shoe, so I really wanted to have some fun with the looks. You let me know down below what was your favorite look out of the three, or how would you style these?
She just went love. I think I'm in danger, in love with a stranger. The girl is a gamer, I just want a gamer. It's all in the game. She's a regular player, yeah. The girl is a gamer, I just want a gamer. Blind by your influence, blowing up my screen, tweaking intimate. Scrolling through your feed, ducking through the Sims. It was all hard bubbles, so I blew a kiss. You replied with a smile, now I'm on your list. Not for cheating with a girl, but I can't resist. On a late night stream is my only wish. You got a certain type of vibe that I'm fucking with. I'm getting lit, then you popped up on my screen, looking like a beauty queen. Laser, laser, movie. My secret future's innocent. I think I'm in danger, in love with a stranger. The girl is a gamer, I just want a gamer. It's all in the game. She She's a regular player. The girl is a gamer. I just wanna gain her. I went in your profile, exotic and so wild. Points ranking up cause your hella was so high.
All right, now let's conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So these retailed at $140 and these are currently going between $125 to $165. All right, so definitely stay tuned. I will have the Reed colorway here soon. But thanks again, everybody, for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, this is your first time, thanks for joining us. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification box. We do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, feel free to check out that join button for all of our membership perks, as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV, and my name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you all in the next video.
It's all in the game. She's a regular player. The girl is a gamer. I just wanna gain her.